Password reset not sending email on Funding Circle fix. You've tried to reset your Funding Circle password, but the email never seems to arrive. It's a common issue, and the good news is, it's usually something small you can fix in minutes. Start by checking your spam or junk folder. Funding Circle's password reset emails come from no-reply-funding-circle.com, and sometimes your email provider flags them as suspicious because of the embedded reset link. Search for Funding Circle or password reset in your inbox to be sure. If it's not there, make sure you enter the exact email address you used when registering your account. Most people get this wrong, especially if they've changed emails or signed up using a business address. Even a single typo can stop the system from sending the link. Next, at Funding Circle, come to your safe sender list and try resending the email. Wait about 5 minutes before sending another request. Too many attempts too fast can delay processing. If you're using the mobile app or an older browser, update or switch to a different one. Cached data or outdated software sometimes interferes with password reset functions. Also, ensure your inbox isn't full and that your provider isn't blocking messages with clickable URLs. Corporate or security-heavy email systems often filter these by default. Still not receiving it? Go to Funding Circle support page and reach out directly. Their support team can manually verify your account and send you a secure reset link. Most users assume something's broken on Funding Circle's end, but the surprising truth is that 9 out of 10 times, it's just a spam filter typo or inbox setting. Follow these quick fixes and you'll have your Funding Circle password reset email in your inbox and access to your account again in no time.